Hello students, today's one question and answers of your chapter of matter. So let's start discuss about it. So open your book page number 68. First one, recalling ideas. What we have learned, we just recall it. And how we can recall? By here some questions are given. So if we can give the answers, we can recall our ideas related to this chapter. So first part is given, that is select the correct option. We can see here page number 68, first one. First part, recalling ideas, and from the recalling ideas first question is select the correct option. So select the correct option. We can see here there are 4 options for each question. So we have to choose the correct one. Correct option we have to choose. The first question from this, that is, which of the following is a man-made material? We can see here the options are water, wood, air and plastic, and the correct one is plastic, because plastic is a man-made material. Next one, which of the following is matter? So we know matter is that which occupies some space and has mass. So heat is not occupying any space, shadow is also not occupying any space, sunlight is also not occupying any space, but air occupies some space, so air is the correct one. Third one, water vapor can be changed into water by the process called? By which process water vapor can be converted into water? We know the gas can convert into its liquid form. That process is called condensation. So the right option is condensation. Fourth one, the intermolecular spaces are minimum in case of in case of solids, liquids, gases, only water. We know the intermolecular spaces are minimum in case of solids, so it is solids. Last one, which of the following solid is crystalline? Crystalline means we know that have geometrical shape. So common salt is crystalline in form, because common salt having a geometrical shape. Small geometrical shape, but they are having shape, whereas flour, talcum powder, cement are in powder form. They don't have any geometrical shape. So the answer becomes common salt. Second part, state if the following statements are true or false. Correct the false statement. We know here 5 sentences are given. Which are true, we have to write that one only true, and which are false, we just write false and write the correct statement also. So first one, the boiling point of a liquid and the condensation point of its vapors have the same numerical value. Boiling point means a liquid converts into its vapor, and condensation means the vapor converts into its liquid, and we know how much heat is absorbed, that much heat is released when it converts into its original. So this is true one, there is no need to correct it. Second one, molecules are closely packed in gas. Molecules are closely packed in a solid, not in gas. So this is false one, and in the case of in the place of gas you have to write solid. Okay. Third one, liquids have 2 free surfaces. Always remember, liquids have only one free surface. So this is false one. You have to write in the place of 2 you write 1. Fourth one, a pure substance is made up of only one kind of matter. We know pure substance is made up of only one kind of matter, so this is true one. Last one, a known volume of any liquid poured into a container does not occupy the same volume. Actually, a known volume of, if that is 100 liter or 100 millimeter, the container is always same, and that amount, that volume is also always same for any liquid. So does not occupy the same volume is written, that's why this is false one. In the case of does not occupy, you write occupies. Okay. Third one, Third part is fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. You can see here two options are given in the bracket and we have to choose the correct word and fill that blanks given. So first one, the particles of a substance are dash packed in the solid state, are closely packed. So closely is the right one. Second one, the quantity of matter in a body is called its mass. So mass is the correct one. Third one, milk is dash compressible. Milk is a liquid. That's why slightly compressible. Fourth one, solids having a definite geometrical shape are dash solids, that is crystalline. Fifth one, dash is a good conductor of heat and light, that is iron, because iron is a metal and metal is a good conductor of heat and light, we know. The sixth one, the boiling point of water is dash 0 degree Celsius or 100 degree Celsius. We know the boiling point of water, that means when that water starts to convert into its gaseous form, that is the boiling point, and the boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. Okay students. Fourth one, match the following. So in column A and in column B there are 5 words are given. In each column A there are 5 sentences and in column B also 5 sentences are there. We have to match. So intermolecular space is the first one from column A. Intermolecular space, that is related to gaps between particles, because we know the gaps or space between the particles is called intermolecular space. So this is the correct one for first one, intermolecular space, that is related to bit E, column B, gaps between particles. Second one, sublimation. Sublimation we know that is change from solid to gas directly. So this is the second one. Bit D is related to the second option of column A. Third sentence, that is smallest unit of substance which can exist independently. We know molecule is the smallest unit of substance which can exist independently. So molecule is the option for third one. Fourth one, solidification. Always remember solidification is change from liquid to solid, that is that process is called solidification. So this is fourth one. When heat is added to the body, it expands. Okay. In this way you can match it and write it. Fifth part, that is find the odd one out, give reasons for your answer. So 4 questions are given and in each question some options are given. We have to choose which is the odd one and why. We have to write. So first one, water, wood, air, sound. So how we can write? Write in this way. Water, wood, air, sound. Sound is the odd one because it is not a matter, whereas water, wood and air are matters because these are occupying space. Okay. Second one, air, smoke, mercury, hydrogen, nitrogen. You can see here air, smoke, hydrogen, nitrogen. Air and smoke are mixtures, whereas hydrogen and nitrogen are elements. So how we can differentiate it? Mercury is also a element, but air, smoke, hydrogen and nitrogen are in gaseous form. So we can differentiate it. We can find out the odd one H. Right? Mercury is the odd one because it is in liquid state, whereas others are in gaseous state. Okay. Third one, solid, liquid, vapor, gas. We know solid, liquid and gas are states of matter, whereas vapor is the odd one. So vapor is the odd one because except vapor all are the states of matter. Fourth one, oxygen, honey, nitrogen, iron and water. Honey is the odd one because except honey all are either elements or compound. Okay students, in this way you have to fill it. You write the regions also because there is written give regions for your answer. Okay students. Next one, understanding ideas, and there is given answer in one word or one sentence. So we have to write the answers in one word or one sentence. First one, what is the melting point of ice? The melting point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Second question, what is the boiling point of pure water? The boiling point of pure water is 100 degrees Celsius. Third one, name any two solids that sublime at room temperature. Sublime means that solid converts into its gaseous form directly. That is sublime. That substance is sublime. So, naphthalene and iodine are two solids that sublime at room temperature. Not only naphthalene and iodine, other substances also there like camphor and etc. we have already discussed. So, naphthalene and iodine are two solids that sublime at room temperature. Fourth one, what determines the state of matter? We have already discussed what determines the state of matter. That arrangement of atoms and molecules, rigidity, compressibility, diffusibility, shape and size determine the state of matter. These are the features which determine the state of matter. Fifth one, name two factors which influence the molecular arrangement of matter. That means arrangement of molecules or atoms in a matter depends on which factors. Write the answers. The intermolecular force of attraction and the intermolecular space are two factors which influence the molecular arrangement of matter. Intermolecular force of attraction and the intermolecular space. Next one, define the following terms. There are 5 terms are given and we have to define it. So, we have to write the definition. So, first one, weight. We know weight is the force with which the arc attracts a body. Second one, boiling point. Boiling point, the temperature at which a liquid starts changing into its gaseous state is called boiling point of that liquid. Third term is given, molecule. Molecule is the smallest particle of an element or a compound that has independent existence and shows all the properties of that substance. The fourth one, diffusion. We know diffusion is the net movement of molecules or atoms from a region of high concentration to a region of low concentration. Okay students? Last one, liquefaction. Liquefaction is a process of changing a matter from gaseous to liquid state. From gaseous form to liquid state on cooling, that is liquefaction. Okay? After this only we will learn today. On the next class we will discuss about other questions. Thank you students.